Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to manage Discord server roles. Here are 4 methods to manage Discord server roles on a PC. First method, create and edit roles. Open server settings. Right-click your server icon on the left sidebar and choose server settings. Then go to roles, create or edit a role. Click create role to add a new role or choose an existing role to modify it by clicking the 3 dots or the edit. Set role details. Customize the role's name, color, and permissions. Adjust advanced permissions under the Permissions tab. Save changes. Click Save Changes to apply updates. Next method, assign roles to members. Open the members list by going to Server Settings. Members, under User Management. Assign a role. Locate the member you want to manage. Click the 3 dots next to their name. Choose Roles and check the desired roles. Next method, manage role hierarchy. Access the Roles tab. Right-click on the server, then go to Server Settings, Roles, Organize roles. Drag roles to reorder them. Roles higher in the list have more authority. Now click on the Edit. Adjust the visibility. Toggle display role members separately from online members to showcase role members in the member list. Save and test. Save changes and ensure permissions work as intended. Last method, use role-specific channels. Create a role-specific channel. In the server, click the plus button next to text or voice channels. Name the channel and click Create Channel. Restrict access to roles. Click the gear icon next to the channel name, go to Permissions, and add specific roles. Set role-based permissions, such as View Channel, Send Messages, or Manage Channel. Save changes. Click Save Changes to ensure the channel is restricted to certain roles. These 4 methods help you efficiently manage roles and permissions, making your Discord server organized and user-friendly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.